An explosion killed at least 8 worshippers at a mosque in a predominantly all white area of Syria, Homs on Friday. State media said, with a militant group claiming responsibility. First up, the attack during Friday prayers in the latest on the all white community, and the second blast in a place of worship since Islamist authorities took power a year ago. First up, after a suicide bombing in a Damascus church killed 25 people in June. First up, in a statement on Telegram, extremist group said its fighters detonated a number of explosive devices in the Imam Ali in the central Syria city. First up, the group formed after the ouster last year of longtime ruler Bashar al-Assad, himself a member of the Alawite community, and had claimed responsibility for the June charge bombing, though authorities blamed the Islamic State group. First up, state news agency Sana reported an explosion in the mosque in Homs neighborhood and gave a preliminary toll of at least 8 dead and 18 wounded, citing a health minister official. First up, an AFP photographer saw security forces gardening of the area around the mosque, while inside personnel stood guard as red tape encircled the blackened corner where the blast went off. First up, Osama Ibrahim, 47, who was being treated in hospital for sharp wounds to his head and back, said he was at Friday prayer when he heard was a loud explosion. First up, the world turned red and I fell to the ground. Then I saw blood flowing from my head, he told AFP. Foster. Syria Interior Ministry said in a statement that a terrorist explosion targeting the mosque and that authorities had begun investigating and collecting evidence to pursue the perpetrators of this criminal act. First up, Sana quoted a security source as saying that initial investigations indicated that explosive devices planted inside the mosque caused the blast. First up, as victims' families gathered at the hospital, wounded bookseller Ghadi Maroof, 38, told AFP that the explosion occurred just before the Imam was to ascend the member to deliver the sermon, referring to the Imam raised platform. First up, new para. It was a huge explosion, and I saw sharp flying all around me, said Maruf, whose leg was wounded in the blast. Foster. Syria Foreign Ministry condemned a cowardly criminal act, saying it came in the context of repeated desperate attempts to undermine security and stability and spread fear among the Syria people, vowing to hold the attackers accountable. First up, several countries, including Saudi Arabia, Lebanon, Turkey, and Jordan, condemned the attack. First up, most Syrians are Sunni Muslim, and Homs city is home to a Sunni majority, but also has several predominantly all white areas. A community whose faith stems from Shia Islam. First up, since Assad fall, the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights Monitor and Homs province residents have reported kidnapping and killing targeting members of the minority community. While the country has seen several bloody sectarian episodes. First up,